The Strange Case of Origami Yoda by Tom Angleberger. Sixth grader Dwight is sort of an oddball in his school. He walks around the halls with a Origami Yoda finger puppet. And when kids talk to him, he responds in the voice of Yoda, as if the finger puppet is talking. "Talk like Yoda, I will." But the strange thing is that Origami Yoda predicts the future. He knows when the next pop quiz is going to be. He also gives out really good advice to kids. Dwight's classmate Tommy has a very important question that he wants to ask, but before he does, he's got to find out if Origami Yoda is real. This is the first in the series by Tom Angleberger. At the end of the book, he gives instructions on how to make an Origami Yoda, and I'm going to link that YouTube video down below in the description box. This book is available on Libby. Check it out.